Welcome to Yousafzaichannel. Garlic, a popular culinary ingredient, has been used for its medicinal properties for centuries. Garlic has immune-boosting properties due to its high content of sulfur-containing compounds like allicin. Garlic has been linked to improvements in cardiovascular health. Tea may help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels. Garlic contains antioxidants that help protect the body's cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Allicin and other compounds in garlic possess anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Garlic has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. Garlic has been found to improve blood circulation by promoting vasodilation. Garlic contains nutrients like manganese, calcium, and vitamin B6, which are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Garlic may assist in weight management by helping to regulate appetite and boost metabolism. It's worth noting that while garlic offers numerous health benefits, as with any supplement or food, moderation is key, and it's best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have specific health concerns or conditions. Thanks for watching.